warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Edric Veda Adiyatma from PF46. Yeah, okay. Now I want to solve a problem from discussion before. And first problem is number 4. Sum infinity n equal 1, 2 over 3n plus 5. And this is my result. Fx equal 2 over 3x plus 5, then integral infinity 1 infinity and 1 2 over 3x plus 5 dx, lim a going to infinity integral a and 1 2 over 3x plus 5 dx, and lim a going to infinity 2 over x 1 and 3a plus 5 and minus 2 ln 2, and the result is infinity and is divergent. Problem is page 1 integral test and p series test. Number 6 is sum infinity and equal 1, 3 to the power minus n, and this is my result. X is 3 to the power minus x, and integral infinity and 1 3 to the power minus x dx, and lim a going to infinity integral a and 1 3 to the power minus x dx, lim a going to infinity 1 over ln 3 multiply 3 to the power n is minus and plus 1 over 3 ln 3, and then the result is 1 over 3 ln 3, and the result is convergent. And the next is using a p-series, and my solving problem is 38 infinity sum n equal 1 over n to the power p. The result fx is 1 over xp, and integral is infinity 1 over x to the power p dx, lim a going to infinity integral a and 1 over x p dx, lim a going to infinity 1 over p a to the power p minus 1 and a to the power p minus 1, and this is the minus plus 1 over p minus 1, and the result is 1 over p minus 1, and result again is convergent. And the next problem is still on the using a p-series, but it's different number. Now it's number 4. Sum infinity n equal 1, 3 over n to the power 5 over 3, and this is my result. Fx is 3 over x to the power 5 over 3, and integral infinity 1 3 over x 5 8 to the power 5 over 3 dx, and lim a going to infinity integral a and 1 3 over x 5 or to the power x to the power 5 over 3 dx, and lim a going to infinity 9 over 2 multiply 2 a to the power 2 is minus plus 9 over 2, and the result is 9 over 2. Is it convergent? Now I move to direction and limit comparison test, and I choose number 6. Sum infinity and growing n equal 1 over 3 n to the power 2 plus 2, and this is my result. This fx is 1 over 3x squared plus 3x to the power 2 plus 2, and integral infinity and 1 over 3x to the power 2 plus 2 dx, lim a going to infinity integral a and 1 over 3x squared 3x to the power 2 plus 2 dx, and lim a going to infinity multiply 6 arctan multiply 6a over 2 minus multiply 6 arctan and multiply 6 over 2 over 6, and the result is multiply 6p minus 2 multiply 6 arcta and multiply 6 over 2 over 2, and is it perfection? And still on the direction and limit comparison, now I choose number 20. 30. There's this sum infinity n going to n equal 1 to the power n plus 1 over 5 to the power n plus 1. This is my result. Lim n going to infinity 2 to the power n plus 1 over 5 to the power n plus 1 over 2 to the power n over 5 to the power n. Lim n going to infinity 2 to the power n plus 1 and equal and multiply 5 to the power n over 5 to the power n plus 1 multiply 2 to the power n. Lim n going to lim n going to infinity 10 to the power n plus 5 to the power n over n and 10 to the power n plus 2 to the power n. Lim n going to infinity 10 to the power n multiply 1 plus 1 over 2 to the power n 10 to the power n equal and multiply 1 plus 1 over 5 to the power n, and lim n going to infinity 1 plus 1 over 2 to the power n and 5 and 1 over 2 to to the power n, 1 plus 1 over 5 to the power n, and this is the result, 1 plus 0 over 1 plus 0, and the result is 1, and 1 is consumption. That's all from me. I hope this presentation about advanced calculus problem discussion group 4, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.